Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to make a pen stand which is easy to make, simple but elegant. So for this we're going to need some craft papers. I have taken 8 of them, and scale, a cardboard, and Fevicol, and a toothpick. Now all we have to do is take a paper and fold it into equal halves. Now cut the paper into 2. Repeat this for all the other craft papers. I've got all the paper cut into 2. Now we have to take a toothpick and roll the paper with the help of a toothpick like this. And then slowly remove the toothpick from the sides. Now paste it using a glue. Repeat the same with all the other papers. Now I have made all of the rolls. So now we have to take cardboard and make an equilateral triangle on it. An equilateral triangle is a triangle which has all of its 3 sides equal. Now I'm making a triangle of 8 cm each side. Now cut the triangle. It is a thin cardboard, so I'm taking double of it, and now let's cut it. We have got a triangle. Now let's cover this with the color paper. Just let's join these two. Let's paste the craft paper on it. And cut all the extra sides. Let's cover this so that the cardboard doesn't look. By this the cardboard cannot be seen, and then it will look more good. Let's cut the extra part and paste it. We're going to repeat the same over here too. Now the base is complete. Now we have to mark 8 centimeter each on all of these rolls that we have made, so that we can paste it properly. Let's do this. First we have to cut the edges so that these don't bother us. So we have got 3 8 centimeters. Let's fold it from the point. And here it is a little extra. We're gonna need this. We have to make these sharp edges so that they can fix in a proper triangle, and this little extra edge we have to use it to put it into the other side hole. And let's put a little gum in here and push this other extra side into it so that it can get fixed properly. There it is. A triangle complete, so that we can use it to paste it over here. Now do the same triangle for all the other things. Now I have made all of the triangles. Let's start pasting it on this little triangle over here, because this, if this will be the inside one, then this irregularities will not be seen. Just the corners. Now over this I'm going to use this color in this way. Continue doing this. Now let it dry a little. Here is our little star pen stand ready. So guys, if you liked it, then please like and share my video, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon below. Please do this, guys.